So after a really nice Oktoberfest evening yesterday, we have finally mustered up some courage to come out again, and we are going to rent a car today and probably go to Neuschwanstein, the castle, which is around 85 kilometers away from here, and maybe Eibsee or something like that. We'll see how time permits us to travel today. But yeah, that's the idea. Let's go get the keys.
ಎನರ್ಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ?
What?
ಎನರ್ಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Need energy.
ನನ್ನ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್.
Yeah. So we are walking. We still don't have a car.
What happened?
We had our reservation at we had it at 8 a.m. We ended up going there at around 2, I guess. He didn't have many cars, or he said that he has no cars in his garage. He only gave us option of an electric car. It has distance range of 200 kilometers, and we have to return the car with 80% charge. If we get a fast charging station, then it takes half an hour. Sounded a bit complicated to us. None of us have experience with electric cars.
Exactly. And plus we were going to have the car until 10 or so, right? 10:30.
Yeah.
So we won't have enough time to charge it, give it back.
One more thing is, he also suggested, and we also asked about it, that can we cancel, can we get a good shine or something
Oh, yeah.
for the, because he has already paid. Luckily it was possible. Called 6th customer care, and we were able to cancel it to get his
Yeah.
money back.
They were super nice. They didn't need to do it, but they did it. So
Yeah.
we are really happy with that decision. We got our money back, and now we're going to go to where?
To
Tegernsee.
Tegernsee haben.
Tegernsee.
Yeah, we have
Ashik?
decided for Tegernsee.
Have you been there before? To Tegernsee?
Many times.
What would you like to say before we head there?
It is, let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
This side is very dark for some reason. From here we look really nice.
We bought Hamburg weather with us.
Oh yeah, man. When we were in Hamburg, it was raining in Hamburg. Now we are in Munich, it's raining in Munich. And from tomorrow onward, it's going to be sunny. Guess what? We are going back tomorrow. Oh, यहाँ घूना कर कर आप पढ़ते शिरा. यहाँ घूना हमारे ला.
ಓ ವೈ ಇದು ದಾರಿ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟನಾ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಕಸ್ ಕಬೋಣ ಬಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ.
रात फर्स्ट भीतर हो जाओ. काढ़ो बस मस्त. अब तो बाहर जाता बड़ा में. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, how are you? You know where we are heading now?
Where we are heading now?
We don't know ourselves.
I know we are going to Tegernsee for sure.
Oh
Not
yeah,
Starnberg.
we just decided. Which also.
This is the second part of the München Hauptbahnhof from platform 26 to 36 or whatever. The last time we came, it was the other one. This is huge, it's massive, and this is only the Hauptbahnhof. There is also an Ostbahnhof, which is just as big. It's crazy. This train goes directly to Tegernsee, so we don't have to change trains or anything.
Is it recording already?
Yes.
Are you disappointed that we didn't get the car?
A little bit, for sure, yes. I had big expectations to go 200, 250 today. It's okay, next time. This was our designated driver with a Deutsche Führerschein. But yeah, it was okay. I'm not very disappointed because we got the money back. Otherwise it would have been even more disappointing. But yeah.
Yeah. Were you disappointed that we didn't get the car today?
No, actually, I'm pretty fine. As long as we get some time to spend.
Are you happy that we are going to Tegernsee?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Why
So
you-
happy.
So he got a thumbnail.
Eigentlich wollte auch mal weiter.
Why not?
Ja, sonst ist meins.
Yeah, maybe.
This guy also speaks Konkani, by the way. A really good Konkani, that too. It's very hard to tell if he's not actually Konkani speaking. Yes, see, he knows everything. Crazy. So we are going to play a game now, guys.
See, like the
We are going to play a game. We are going to play. We are going to play a game now called Connect. So Mesh trying to explain the game. And can you explain again, please?
You explain.
No. So she was trying to say dinner.
But he's still the know.
Do you know what a dinner is? Then she thought she was wrong all her life. Then she said dinner. Then she said,
And she said,
Dan, the one who has Dan. But
what do you do in the game?
so if you play hide and seek, for example, there's this one guy who Seeker. Seeker is called dinner basically. Yeah, it's probably Maharashtrian thing, but you know also, right? You also know.
from you guys. But I have heard that from.
Oh, okay.
Everyone says dinner.
No, I think it's a Maharashtrian thing then.
No.
Yeah.
We don't speak in English. ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು Never described them.
So there is a dinner, okay? Like dinner means like one who, yeah, whatever.
Dinner is the official word, guys.
So it's like suppose Ashwin is the dinner, then he will think of a word. You have to think of a word which is not a proper noun. Suppose he is thinking of interpretation. So he'll just say, tell you the first letter as clue, I. Okay. Now he is the dinner. So we three have to think of a word which starts from I. Suppose I am thinking of ice cream. Okay. But I can't say loud ice cream. I will give you a clue. So I will say summer. Okay. So now you have to think which word from I is connected related to summer. He'll give the clues letter by letter. If you want to know the next letter, we have to connect on this letter, like first letter one.
We should do one round. We should do one round. That was the Isar River, guys.
3, 2, 1. Hydrogen.
Crazy. McDonald's. Connect. 3, 2, 1. Hamburger.
You said Hamburg.
You said Hamburg.
Give us the next.
Yeah, I know. I didn't hear her at the end.
I also did.
Next letter P. P.
Okay. We'll say like
Coffee with Karan.
yes.
3, 2, 1. Hamburg.
That's the word. I thought so.
Okay, nice game. Nice
I
game.
was like thinking what to give as clue.
Crazy, crazy. Let's play. Correct. Now I am the dinner, so I have decided a word, and the first letter is D.
Food.
Huh?
Food.
Food.
Connect. 3, 2, 1.
Donut.
Huh?
What is it? Dumpling.
What did you say? Huh?
Dumpling, digest, donut. Disconnect.
Okay, waste. Connect. 3, 2, 1.
Dustbin. Dustbin, disposer, dumpster. Disconnect.
No. Recycle bin.
How connect करूँगा ना मैं?
तो
बोलेगा।
You can't connect, you can just
Okay, okay.
So recycle bin
Easy to do.
Why?
ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ
ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 3, 2, 1.
Delete.
What it is?
I said delete now.
But
So
we can
what
still-
happens?
if we are connected with
Disconnect.
But I said delete.
But you are the dinner, you can't connect.
Okay.
You just disconnect.
इनके rules है भाई. Rules बदलते रहते हैं.
no, it is
No, I know. Kidding.
ruin something
connect 3, 2, 1.
Disembark.
What is it?
Damage, destroy, disembark.
Sir.
Crazy.
Connect 3, 2, 1.
Depart.
What is it?
Dump.
Leave.
This emotional damage. Leave as in someone leaving you.
ನಾನು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ರಿಪಾರ್ಚರ್
Departure.
I'm not connecting only with you guys.
acting
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ 3, 2, 1.
Devdas.
What?
drama
Dubbing. Devdas.
What is the clue?
Thirst.
Thursday
3, 2, 1.
Thunder stars.
Language is also.
Okay, wait.
Language limited to what? Is it German
Not
and English?
black.
in einen anderen Wagen
Oh, okay.
umsteigen. Passengers traveling
What is with D? D is the letter.
I know. I know this word.
Okay,
number.
connect.
3, 2, 1.
Dior.
Huh?
What is it?
Douglas.
Douglas.
It's a
Deodorant.
deodorant.
Dior. I thought it was the Dior shop.
It was Douglas.
Oh.
ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ
Okay, this might take a while.
Okay, that
I'll
is,
see you later.
That is used.
So they connected on danger. So the next letter is U.
It's difficult for us to create a word from D and then yes.
lake
third letter now, which is O.
D-U-O.
Okay, okay.
Language.
Huh?
Correct. Duolingo.
Crazy. The clue was right there all along. If you can hear already.
So Duolingo is the word.
Oh, that was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Duolingo.
But yeah, that was the word. Nice. Crazy.
Okay, so
Blue was right.
Beginner's luck maybe. ती खेलतास ना?
Oh, were you at
Ouais.
that I didn't
Yeah.
wait a
See you
second,
at
I will take the
10. Tegense. Tegense guys. Tegense. कैसे चलता है गेम आंदू?
So do something together.
Connect. 3, 2, 1. Meet Nathan.
Nice views. Feels like the Garmisch Patnakulam where we wanted to go but couldn't go. This also looks like the alley from Harry Potter with the Wand Master right behind me. Looks like Hotel California where you can never leave. Dun 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 dun. The word, by the way, was mitochondria from before the earlier game that we were playing. It was very difficult, but they finally got it. Nice. सकड़े है एक पटी.
I can't see on
Hey, Ramesh.
The colors are sugar.
what the
Come, move it. Colors are.
colors are going
What colors?
I'm saying autumn colors, not me.
but hangra ಬೇಕು ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು ಎತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಣ
Oh, like it sang the
ಕ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ
Connect. 3, 2, 1.
Mama Yashashri.
There's a dog over there. I think he's been told to sit. He won't move at all. There's a split boat as well. Amazing stuff. It's like walking on water. Yeah, get me to just sit and think about life. We just took some really nice pictures. Look at this view. Can you see? The sun is just coming out a little bit. It looks really nice.
Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is my lovely brother who's making really nice videos. He's capturing all these beautiful memories,
Yep.
and we have this scenic view around us. I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. And the sun is out. We are very happy that we have a little bit sunlight.
Yes.
Sounds really.
Overacting. We are at this place called Aran. Let's get something to drink, like coffee or something, and also something to eat, maybe cheesecake or something like that. Just came from the back side of this cafe. The view is still amazing, no doubt about it. But look at this. This is a floating house or hotel or something. If I stand still, you can see it moving. Aran Brotgenus und Kaffee Kult. Bread specials and coffee cult or something like that. Coffee cult.
कसं त्यांनी कसं बरेलं?
Coffee cult. But with a K.
Okay.
Maybe from Kultuo.
Kansan.
It was pretty nice. Good ambience
Are we going
and
to
everything. Where? To the cafe? Oh, hang on. Super at the sun. Oops.
Before that, let's go back to Munich, have food somewhere. Then if we want, we can watch 3-2 at home.
So we are going back to Munich now.
Yeah.
Let's see on
This
the way.
place
Now
is
I
pretty
cannot
cool.
drink coffee.
Not
We don't get
full,
bored at
but
all.
like,
As many pictures as you take, the more good it starts to look.
Okay, I'm giving a clue.
Okay.
You have to be very attentive. Okay. Okay. Ramakant. Anybody connects?
No telling relatives.
Baggi korka. No.
चमकता चमकता हंग पडून असे आणि चेक पडे दोघे
Laugh.
होय आता शब्द
Come on.
रमाकांत
Anybody wants to join me? Fast.
Connect.
Connect.
3, 2, 1,
Umakant. Umakant.
Hey, this is cheating.
No, it's not like.
Some repeating the same word.
No, that was no Uma
Okay,
Mahesh.
Umakant, we flew for Umakant.
Huh?
It's cheating.
Ramakant is true for Umakant.
They are brothers.
That's master than Gadi. Okay? No.
नो कसं तांतो इतके लाईक काढला फोटो
Baggi card anyway.
काढता साव राब एक मिनिट तुक सोन वचन ना तुक सांगा नाशी
So view. ना आता केस सम्राट बन रहा है. तू सांगू का?
डंबल डोर असे दिसतं मार्क्स दोघं
वही त्याशी आहे ना आपल्याशी सिंग लाईक
कसं जाऊ का तुका
वाट ना करेक्ट वाटला ना केसू
कसं जाऊ का म्हणून सांग
तू त्यावर एक काढलेलो आपल्याशी काढलेलो ना तू अंगा ये अशी जाऊ का मग कसं?
ताजीतल्या का कळलं चुकून तू हलता
हा,
असताना
तशी जाऊ का मग
तशी या ना त्या तू नुतर राबून असताना
वाट ना. ओके
2 hours later.
निघे काढतो अंगा
काही जाऊ
After mitochondria, we are still on the same word. It starts from UMA. We have no idea what it is. It's been given by Ashik. Man, I'm forgetting your name for some reason.
Okay, 2 more tries and then you have to accept defeat, and then we'll move on to the next one. And you have 2 minutes left.
What's a word from UMA, guys? It's also English.
Okay, until we reach Banov. Then after that.
Clue. Enthusiasms.
Connect.
3, 2, 1. Umange.
What the fuck?
What? Plural of Umange.
That's crazy.
Umang is not enthusiasm.
Enthusiasm. in
No.
Hindi. Yeah.
Umang
That
is
doesn't matter.
Look at this building.
Umang is
On the
like.
way back, I did show it to you, but look how
We said the same
much better
Yeah.
this looks now.
Yeah.
This was the same with Oktoberfest as well. The time we went there, it was
Yeah,
not
because
many
it's
lights and
like
stuff. But then the darker it got, the better it got actually.
UMAM.
UMM. Oh!
Huh?
Japanese.
Japanese.
I have no idea.
MasterChef Australia. This
But you
flavor.
can say the word if
The
you know the
flavor
word.
is so.
Huh? Flavor is so.
Okay, Jal, no, they don't
You
know.
can
I
say.
think they don't know the word. I think umami. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh man, crazy word. The flavor so umami.
the taste of meat is called umami. Mushroom releases umami, so that's
Oh,
why
yeah.
you feel like eating.
I think
like
yeah, as he
sense
said,
of-
Japanese word to say like releasing flavors.
That's it.
That was unagi actually. I think Japanese. Umami. I'm not sure the origin.
Me, that's what you said.
But
No,
then
but
you
I
said
know umami.
correctly.
Yeah, I know umami.
Yeah.
But I just thought that was also Japanese because unagi is also Japanese.
Okay, good.
Excellent, excellent. This one was the best one. And on the train, if you guys didn't hear, next to us was actually playing Duolingo, and that's the word that I selected.
Umang
That happened with us.
all
See,
this is,
if she had said Umang and I would
umang
have
is not.
Oh,
does
yes.
not mean
We've reached Banov.
That doesn't matter. It
Nice.
can mean anything.
Yeah.
Thing is, we
You
get
should have also thought of like we will do that, like that.
Stop.
Hey, what?
There was a stop sign. Look at that mountain over there.
Next.
Houses here, so cool. That house, the top, that is something I look forward to having of my own someday. Something like that. In a view like this, train stop right here, Banov mountain.
anyone.
You can go hiking. So
Give us a
crazy.
word.
Okay, I have a word now.
Okay.
B.
B.
Yeah.
Be.
dance.
3, 2, 1. Ball dance. Huh?
Ballet.
Oh.
What is
Disconnect. 14% battery. I might have to replace the battery now.
Queen.
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 Huh?
Queen.
3, 2, 1. Bridgerton.
Bohemian.
Huh?
Buckingham Palace.
Oh.
Buckingham?
Buckingham, Bridgerton. Disconnect.
Bolo Ganesh.
Muro Ganesh.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1. Bolognese.
Bolognese.
Yeah.
Scam.
Next letter, please.
A.
A.
Cricket.
Okay.
3,
B.
2,
A.
1.
Ball.
Bat.
Ayo.
Hey, disconnect.
Oh, shit.
disconnect.
She
I
messed
said
it up.
ball.
She messed it up. There are a few train stations on the way from Hamburg to Rostock or Rostock to Stralsund. They are so beautiful, man.
What?
I could just go. Oh, there's München HBF train right there. Guys, too. 7:22. Oh, okay. There's still 20 minutes to go. I think it waits for us. I can also change my battery. I could charge for 5 hours before I came to Munich. Now only for 1.5. So that means I already recorded for more than 3.5 hours over the last 3 days. Yeah, it's too much. This is 2.7K 60 FPS, but I think it takes too much of storage. I might have to decide to switch to 1000p. 4K is too much anyway. 2.7K also seems to be a little too much.
आम्ही इथंही आमच्याकडं.
Yeah, it can be a little louder, I guess. Yeah.
Remember our pronunciation? Like chicken.
Duck.
Bigger in size.
Geese.
Very big.
Thanksgiving.
Thanks you.
Turkey.
Uh,
Fish is
Very famous in
it's a shooter game.
the liver oil.
Yes.
The liver oil of this fish is good.
Cod.
Yes. Oh, singer. Life is a mystery. Everyone.
Old sir.
Oh,
Yeah, you watch this
show.
show.
Yeah.
How I Met Your Mother.
No, night show.
Then,
Night show.
today's
Audience.
show.
Yeah.
It's an Irish name.
Oh, no.
Jimmy. Sorry. Pass.
Vedant visited this
Vedant.
country.
Albania.
Yes. Awesome.
Burrito.
Burrito, Mexico.
Yes. They screwed with them initially saying umang and umange being two different words. Now they said India with two different questions and it's not legal. How is that possible?
All of us are 3, 2, 1 Indians.
Legit. This was legit.
But you have to tell together.
I said it together only.
E-I-N-D.
Okay. We are all 3, 2, 1. Internationals.
INT.
1, 2, 3 is a 3, 2, 1 integer.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it was
You're
too
too
quick for me.
fast.
Too quick for me. Too quick.
Yeah, you have to wait. Let them connect. You, if you give away, you are losing words. INTE.
Okay, the reverse of differential in maths is 3 to 1 integral.
No, you are not saying together. Yeah, you have to say connect. 3 to 1. You have to be clear. Like,
Okay, okay.
Bank gives you connect 3 to
what?
1.
Wait, I'm not able to hear us. What?
My bad.
Thanks give you what? And what did you all say? to us?
Interest.
Oh, like that. But you have to connect with
That
someone.
is what
We connected.
Then telepathic communication.
Yeah.
INTE. R.
Interest.
No. INTER.
Stop.
Huh? Stop. Is it a clue? What?
Okay. Count 3 to 1 intermission. What?
Interrupt, I want.
Football team. Connect
International.
3 to 1.
Inter.
Inter Milan.
No, that's not allowed. Guys are like crazy.
Multiple phones in the same house. Connect 1, 2, 3.
Wait, who are you
Intercom.
connecting with?
I don't know.
Nonsense. You have to connect with someone.
But they will process until
No,
then.
you have to connect with someone. And if you are giving the clue, other one has to say connect, not yourself.
Okay, bye. So that's it for the Munich trip, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.